Welcome back everybody to Heather's East Kitchen. On tonight's video, guys, we are going to be unboxing this Power XL indoor smokeless grill. So this is something that my husband brought me for Christmas. I am so excited to have it. So I decided to unbox my gift with you guys on camera. So this is the very first time I'm opening this box, guys. I know I got it for Christmas, but it's been sitting there in the corner, and I said, you know, I'll just do it today with my family, my YouTube family. All right, guys, so here we have, they got a little Facebook advertisement here on the flap here, guys, saying follow them on Facebook. So we are going to, I want to get this out, guys, give me 1 second. All right, guys, I gotta pull this out. I had to lay the box down because I have these big styrofoam things in here, guys, and you know, I don't want to mess nothing up. Taking out this box. Oh, y'all hear that? It's in there pretty good. Bring that to the side. Off top, we got, this is the lid that comes with it, guys. Nice little lid, little glass lid. Little size and thing to hold it together. So those to the side, guys. Alright, so another big styrofoam. Inside this plastic bag here. I can see. Let me get y'all a better angle. Alright, guys, so first of all, this first thing that's in here, guys, the grill plate. So that's in their packaging. Next thing they got in here is this little unit here. This is the heating unit. Got a little piece of cardboard in there. It has some books to come along with it, guys. A user guide. Everything you want to know about the grill. You get a free griddle, which I will be applying for that. And then it has the favorite meals and everything in here, guys. Really nice. Leave you some recipes to try. Things you want to try to cook on your grill. Give you directions, how to cook it, you know, the temperature and everything that it should be on. I think that's pretty cool. Nice little addition. And it also has a little guide here, a little 3-step guide. Show you guys how to use that there. And then it has an onion tomato. And then a warning or whatever. And then it got this little silver tray inside of it, guys, which I guess this is the splash tray. I don't know. We'll find out shortly, because I am going to do another video after this, guys, showing you a meal or cooking something on the grill. So I'm definitely going to do that in the next video. So stay tuned for that, guys. It has a power plug here, guys. And then that's it. That is it. Little fan there on the side. Yeah, that's about it, guys. All right, guys, so we got the grill together. Got this nice little lid that opens and closes that you can kind of keep just like this. I thought that was really cool. Here go the buttons that you push to get it started. This is the grill plate, and you lift this up by these handles here. And then that right in there is the heating unit, as well as the drip tray. That is definitely the drip tray. It has a fan in there as well, guys, which I thought was really cool. And you put water in this tray here, guys, so it will be smokeless. So you got to put, I think they say 2 cups of water in here, and that way when you have the grill on, it won't have your house smoky. So I can't wait to use it, guys. I just wanted to get on here and show y'all that it's together now. So I wanted to insert that here in the video. All right, guys, so that is the unboxing of this grill. I'll be doing the next video, guys, showing you how I actually use the grill. Stay tuned for that video, and I will see y'all in the next video.